Have you ever needed to turn your Microsoft Forms responses into clean, shareable PDFs? Maybe you expected it to be quick, but found the process a bit more involved than you thought. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Many users run into the same limitations when they try to export results in a usable format. The tool works, but it is not always designed for convenience when handling documents like PDFs in everyday tasks for most people. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, we will walk through how to convert Microsoft Forms responses into PDFs, starting with the built-in method and then exploring easier alternatives that can save you time and effort overall. We will also look at a more streamlined approach with Jotform's Online PDF Editor, if you want something more efficient and less repetitive for managing your form data and documents moving forward. Let's jump right in. Microsoft Forms is a straightforward tool that handles basic data collection quite well, but it does not include many advanced features for working with documents like PDFs. While it is possible to export responses into a PDF format, the process can feel a bit tedious when you have more than a handful of submissions to manage. That limitation often becomes more noticeable as your response volume grows and your workflow becomes more demanding over time for many regular users. To convert individual responses to PDF files, begin by opening your form and clicking on the Responses tab so you can access the collected data within Microsoft Forms itself without leaving the interface. From there, select the option to view results for a specific response, which will display the set of answers provided by the respondent on a single page for review and export purposes. This view makes it easier to prepare the content before saving it as a document. Once you have the response open, click on the three-dot menu located in the lower corner of the page and choose the option to print the response using your browser's standard printing tool and settings panel that appears on your screen. When the print dialog opens, make sure to select the Save as PDF option instead of sending the file to a physical printer device directly. Then adjust any settings you need and click Save to complete the process properly. Each time you save a response as a PDF, it is a good idea to give the file a unique name or number, so you can easily identify it later when you are organizing multiple documents across different folders or storage locations over time as your data grows steadily and consistently. This approach works well if you have only a small number of responses, but it quickly becomes time-consuming when you're dealing with large volumes of submissions regularly. If you find yourself needing to convert many responses at once, automation can make the process much easier by reducing the amount of manual effort required for each individual file you create and manage on a regular basis going forward. Microsoft's Power Automate tool allows you to set up workflows that trigger actions automatically when the new form responses are submitted and recorded in your system. This helps streamline repetitive tasks and keeps your files organized without extra steps involved. There are also pre-built solutions available that handle much of the setup for you, including tools that convert your form responses into PDFs and send them directly to cloud storage services like OneDrive, Dropbox, or similar platforms for easy access and sharing across your team or organization whenever needed. While automation improves efficiency, you might still prefer an option that does not rely on multiple integrations or additional tools to manage your documents in one single platform for convenience. In that case, you should check out Jotform's Online PDF Editor, which is a more streamlined approach. You can automatically turn each submission into a formatted document without extra steps or complicated configurations along the way for better efficiency overall. Jotform's Online PDF Editor allows you to generate polished PDFs from your form responses instantly and share or store them as needed. You can also use Jotform Sign to finalize documents with e-signatures and maintain a record of the signing process. Thanks for watching. I'm Sissy with Jotform. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.